Hello. Today is the day we're finally doing some beaconized exhaust. He's getting like a custom muffler thing on his axle back, and I'm getting a extension on my exhaust to fit my kit better, and another little muffler thing. And you know, today's been kind of gloomy, and it's fucking gloomy in Florida right now. But I got food, so I feel a little bit better. So let's go ahead and get out there and start this biz, all right? Low car friendly, eh? Oh, shit. So what Eli's doing is the exhaust tip right there, it's not like completely center in the hole that it's made for, so he's gonna bend the hanger with a torch and make it all straight.
I'm gonna cut it because it'll let it fold over and then I can weld it back together.
So, kind of a tiny issue. Tips on this exhaust aren't perfectly round, so when we're trying to weld the pipe on, it's not gonna sit perfectly flush. So now Eli is over here doing this stuff and being a dude. He's trying to figure something out, so when he knows and he tells me what we're doing, I'll tell you guys. So one more issue we're kind of running into is that since the tips are curved, when it comes out and we put the other pipe on, it kind of angles towards the middle of the car. So what we're gonna do is just kind of straighten it out so that way it's hooking straight out and just kind of fill in the gap with welding. I don't want it to be inward, so like this is the only real option, so we're gonna see how it goes. Good luck, everybody. Tip's done. The first one's done. It looks really cool actually, and the cool thing about it is that since the way the kit is, when the car's on the ground, you're not gonna be able to see the welds at all, and so it's just gonna be sticking out, you know. I'm not gonna show the process of the second one. I'm just gonna show you guys after what they both look like.
He has all the stuff.
What are your thoughts on pineapple on pizza?
I don't think it's good. I've never tried it actually.
So what Eli's doing right now is that if you saw the exhaust video that I did, I have a 370 exhaust, and so I have an extension pipe in the middle, and so Eli's cutting that because that's where we're putting the carbon muffler. And yeah, so he's gonna cut that and just weld it where that mid pipe is. Nice. Time to start this bitch. Also, I forgot to mention the muffler that you saw Eli putting in the mid pipe thing. It's this carbon muffler. I got it a while ago, so I kind of forgot to mention what it was. But yeah, that's what it was. I'll leave the link in the description below if you want it. It's like it's not really like a muffler. It kind of just takes out rasp. Essentially, is what they say. So if you look in it, it's like it doesn't even like intrude or anything. It's more of a resonator than anything. But yeah, I forgot to mention that. So.
They didn't do that before. Damn. Holy shit.
So it's been a couple of days since I've had my exhaust done, and I love the way it sounds. It's really deep, which I really like on a car. It's probably one of my favorite things of having it sound just deep. But I was curious to see what would happen and what would it sound like if I took off the mufflers, because right now my exhaust setup is I have test pipes, stock Y pipe, the mid pipe with a muffler with a carbon muffler, and then the 2 resonators, and then the 2 mufflers from the ends, the tip mufflers. So I'm curious to see how it's gonna sound with the mufflers off. If it'll sound louder, if it'll sound shitty. If it does sound really good, I'll just make a custom straight pipe out so that I have 2 setups to go with. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that just to see what it sounds like. All right, so all I gotta do is disconnect the 2 bolts of that. All I gotta do is disconnect those 2 bolts on each side, so 4 bolts, and then 4 hangers total. And then that should be it. Hopefully the hangers don't give me a problem. So as you guys just saw, when I almost fucking died, I can't remove the mufflers because then the whole exhaust just dangles. So I just put a bolt in there, just one, just to hold it up, and there's like a gap between the muffler and the other Y pipe and stuff. So I'm gonna turn that on, see how it sounds. I didn't think to look. I'm an idiot. Let me know in the comments. I don't know how accurate of a representation it'll give on if it had no mufflers, but I'm just gonna do it anyway because I did all the work. So let's see how it sounds. I'm not gonna drive too fast because I don't want the exhaust to like fall off. Still pretty deep though. It's also right under me. Sick lighting. Ready? Fuck, sicker lighting. Better, I guess. Sounds weird having it be right under me. Bro, does it sound good? What the fuck? That sounds great. I can't see shit, so I don't know if I'm in focus, but I I think it sounds good. I don't know. I'd have to be outside the car to hear it. So I'm gonna wait for someone else to get here so they can drive it and I can hear it. But I'm gonna look at the footage and see. So I'll see you guys when I'm listening to it from outside. What do you think from inside the car?
Inside, I like it a lot more than before. Outside, I think it was better with the mufflers.
You like it better overall with the mufflers?
No, outside, I think it's better with the mufflers. Inside, better without. But also, it's right under.
Yeah. I don't know. Kind of like how it sounds, because like the fucking, like even though it's like higher pitched up top, not higher pitched, but like than before, it's like more rowdy.
Like a lot more.